Hey everybody, it's me again. I'm making these videos, these DUIs. So my new thing for me is when I learn something, I want to teach somebody else. So as you know, I still doing my garden videos, and I'm still doing my plant videos, and I'm still, I started doing my head wrap videos. But anything that'll save somebody money and anything you can do yourself, we need to start doing, especially with these prices and everything that's going up. So some of these things we need to start doing ourselves. So I'm getting ready to do a balloon video. Like I said, when I learn something, I want to teach somebody else. So I think it was for my husband's birthday or somebody's birthday. I was gonna get some balloons from the dollar store. Well, one of the balloons by my house, they're out of helium, and they've been out of helium forever. I'm sorry. So I couldn't get balloons blown up, and then I went to the other dollar store, and it was like around Father's Day, and they were like crowded, and I didn't want to wait. So and then I went to Party City, and I'm like, I'm not paying that Party City price. So the kids I think my son or somebody ended up blowing up the balloons themselves. But I said, well, you know what? I started looking online because I was looking for a helium tank. And a helium tank, so I'm like, this is like 50 or 60. I'm not paying that much money for that. That's my state. That's my saying, y'all. So I looked online. I'm like, well, you know what? They sell those electric pumps. I wonder how good they are. So I went online and I bought an electric pump. I think this one I bought. Let me take it out the box, y'all. Hold on. So this pump I bought, y'all, I got this from Amazon. They have them on AliExpress. They have them on, I think AliExpress and Walmart has them, but I got mine from Amazon. I think I paid like, maybe like 22 or 23 bucks for it. So I got this from Amazon. And I'm like, well, my son-in-law was using it for my, I think my daughter's birthday. If you guys saw in my daughter's birthday pictures, yeah, we did that. We blew that arch up ourselves. This is my, I did this for my son's birthday. I popped one of the balloons, y'all. This balloon, it was an arch over my window, but I ended up knocking it down. So it was a stand-up balloon little column that he took his pictures back for homecoming. But yeah, this is so easy to use. And if you go on Amazon, I think AliExpress, but like I said, I got mine from Amazon. I plan on getting another one and a small hand pump. They are so easy to use. Even my little grandsons were using this. Let me show you how you use it. Hold on. So guys, I'm sorry, I had to take a little pause to get my stuff. But yeah, see, it's real simple, y'all. Let me plug it in. Let me plug in the pump. So the little plug is on the side. Hold on, y'all, sorry. See, just open the side up. Let me see. I always have a hard time opening up stuff. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. Side, let me find a plug. Oh, let me plug it over here. I can plug it over here on my sink. Just to give y'all a little demonstration. So you just plug it in. Like I said, my grandsons was even doing this on my dirt because my son-in-law was doing it, but he let the boys help him. So, sorry for the vacuum cleaner. Oops, sorry, y'all. I forgot to turn it off. Don't forget to turn it off, y'all, because it's powerful. Sorry. I forgot to turn it off. Make sure you turn it off before you plug it in. Sorry. But yeah, so you just plug it in like this. Sorry, y'all. Video bloopers. Sorry. So you plug it in. And let me get a couple of balloons, y'all. I'm not gonna leave them up. Let's just get to. So I'm gonna do one at a time. I'm not gonna do two, but it's actually got 3 slots. So what you do is don't turn it on. I forgot I had it on. That's why I blew all over the place. So you just put your balloon on there like this, and you put it on each hole. Well, I like to put it on. I started off. See, it just blows itself up. Just like that. I'm not going to leave this blow. You can blow it up big, you can blow it up small, whatever size you want. Simple. Simple, 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 y'all. So for those that got these little kids, for those that got the kids and you having birthday parties and you know you want to do the little balloon arches, get you a little balloon pump. It's like it's no more than 20. It's no more than $30, and you can use it over and over and over again. And then another thing, guys, I do buy balloons from the dollar store, but I bought these. If you go on Amazon, you buy the bulk balloons. But if you go on AliExpress or Shine, I think I'm saying AliExpress or Shine, it takes you a long time to get the stuff true, but they're cheaper, and you might get 100 balloons for maybe $3 or $4. Shine is a little bit faster than AliExpress. AliExpress takes about 10 to 15 days to get your stuff. So, but only thing Shine has, they have various, especially for the kids, they have cute birthday things where you can buy the theme balloons and blow them up, and on AliExpress they have all the different characters you want. But the only thing with, like I said, with AliExpress is as Shine is faster is getting them. AliExpress takes a while. It could take up to a month or 2 months. So if you know that you're having your kid's birthday party and you have a certain theme and you want to do an arch or something like that, then maybe a month or 2 in advance, order your balloons. Or if you're on a crunch, order them from Amazon. They also sell the theme party balloons kits and also the bag balloons. But AliExpress and Shine is a little bit cheaper than Amazon. So yeah. And then another thing, guys, with the balloons, you can get it's not hard. People tie with string, or they have the balloon arch kits. They have them at the dollar store too. You can get it and intertwine the balloons. But yeah, when I do my next balloon arch, I will try to have somebody video. Usually, I've only done it twice, y'all, but with my daughter's birthday and like with Brian's, plan on doing my great grandbaby's Toodles party. She's turning 2 in a couple of weeks. So if I can do a video and show you how to do it, I will. I have to see who I can get at the video. But yeah, for these people, for y'all that got these kids and you having these parties, you could do the balloons yourself. You don't have to go to the dollar store or Party City. Just get you one of them the pumps. Amazon sells all different kinds. I believe AliExpress sells some too. I'm not sure. I know Shine, they sell the handheld pumps like for $2 or $3 bucks. But I'm gonna get the handheld because with that you can do the different sizes. But yeah, get your electric pump. It's not gonna be a one-time use. You're gonna use this from now on for your kids' birthday parties. And like I said, they got all different kinds, all different types, and all different prices. So until next time, peace. Get out, grow something. Get out and make something. Get out and do something. Have a good day.